So, we will be unboxing our PlayStation 5. So, finally, nakakuha na rin kami ng PS5. So, this is the fourth wave sa DataBlitz. So, thank you, DataBlitz. So, let's start with the front cover. So, sa front cover, ito yung makikita natin. So, PS5. And then, yung picture ng PS5. Then, on the other side of the box, you will see the contents, what's inside the box. And then, we'll just take a picture of this later. And then, at the back, we have this, play like never before. The lightning speed, breathtaking immersion, and stunning games. So, this is our controller and the PS5 itself. And it says here 825 GB. Okay. So, the other side, picture lang siya ng PS5. Alright. So, let's open the box. So, tayo muna natin. Very long. So, pagkabukas, you have your first layer. There. So, you have our paperworks. Here's our paperwork. The quick guide or the quick start guide. So, dyan na yung mga instructions and everything. There. And also this one, the safety guide. So yung mga warranties and all. Alright. Next, we have our power adapter. Next, we have the HDMI cable. And what's this? Okay. Yung stand. Here's our stand for the PS5. So, two ways. We'll show later. So, two ways mo siya pwedeng i-set up. And then, on the other side, we have our Type-C cord. And, yung pinaka magandang controller. So, we have our controller. Very nice. So, sa controller, this one is where you are going to charge. This one is a touchscreen. Then the the logo. Nag-blink na siya. The speaker, microphone, and then, something. Nice. There. Now, let's go to the second layer. Let's go to the second layer. The main event. Okay. Let's pull. I cannot. It's so very difficult. You help Mama. Help Mama.
Okay.
Help me. Oh, no. Okay, thank you, my love. Okay, Mama will do it now. Excuse me. Okay.
What's the stuff, Mama?
There you go. The PS5. Ta-da, ta-da.
Can I have this one? Yeah, look at this one.
Huh? So, it has a wrapper. Let's open the wrapper. Wait. Sururun, 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 sururun. Open sesame. Alright, there you go. So, here's our PS5. So, it has the PlayStation logo over here. Tadang, may Play-Doh na siya. And at the back part, you will see the power cord. So, kung saan nyo i-connect yung power cord, the HDMI. This one is for the LAN. And then, yung mga USB ports. There. And then, on the other side, there. So, we have the Type C and the Type A USB port. The power, this one. The power button, and here, this is where we are going to insert our CDs or the bala for the PS5. There you go. And the back, on the other side, plain white lang siya, so good luck. Mabilis madumihan to. Alright, so there you go. Ito yung what's inside the PS5 box. So, by the way, for this one, guys, at the back, you will, pag twist mo siya, you will see the screw over here. So, wait lang. I need to unscrew it. So, you'll find the screw here, just in case, hindi ko na lang kunin, hindi ko pa makuha. So, just in case you wanted to set it up na merong stand, so, twist lang there. You'll find the screw. So, safety talaga siya. Hindi mawawala yung screw just in case you're not going to use it. So, for the stand, if you want your PS5 to be nakahiga, so all you have to do is just place it here. Wait lang. Ay, wait. So just place it here at the back, and then there. So nakahiga na siya. If you want it na nakatayo, all you have to do is get the screw dito at the back, and then put it here, and then at the back or sa bottom part, just have to push this one para mag-insert si screw, and this one, this will be your supporting stand. Just put it there at the back, and then wait, just put it there. And then just put it there. And then, tada, nakatayo na siya. But, I don't know, it doesn't look good. So, if you prefer to have a stand, you can use the stand. If not naman, it can stand alone. It can stand without the stand. Nakakatayo naman siya without the stand. So, this is not a flat surface, kaya medyo not sturdy. So, there. Alright, so, that's it for our PS5. We'll just show later the setup. So much.